Adhiambo?
This has shocked me. Our TV star dumped me and our sick baby. Honestly, what's happening with our type of people when we are headed here?
It reminded me of a song by, I think, what's that guy's name? Sings country music. You picked to find time to leave me, Lucille, for hungry children and the crops in the field. Anyway, that's what I
No, get that.
You should just be on a one-man guitar. What are you doing on
do.
TV?
By the way, one of these days, I will
He
come
will
with
do
my
it.
guitar and entertain
You
you.
have a guitar?
Oh, yes, I do.
That would
And I
be
can
so
sing a few
nice.
songs. But anyway, let's stick to the Nairobian for
It's
now.
My
very nice.
talents.
I like our page 3. It looks really awesome. Kitu clean. Really.
Oh,
really,
Kitu clean.
Yeah,
Kitu
clean. These people we find at home, man. Okay, these are the one even in heels.
We
Yeah,
cannot
and
see.
you see that, well, we call them Miss Mboch, Auntie, and they've got all these names. But yeah, Kitu clean.
Yeah.
She's in heels.
She's cleaning the house in
In heels.
Yeah,
And that big gap, nice.
The only thing is, Adhiambo, it's page 3 of the